maski busy tayo sa pangangampanya, hindi pa rin natin kinakaligtaan yung ating advocacy. Ngayong umaga, nag-harvest po kami ng mga binhi ng soybeans, and I'm happy to show this to you. Ito yung pinagtiyagaan namin na patubuin. Actually, dalawang varieties to. Ito yung edamame variety na malalaki ang buto. Ito naman yung pang pwede rin edamame, pwede rin pang animal feeds. Now, ito, 2 kilo lang na produce namin. Ang hirap padamihin. Daming challenges. Ito naman, siguro will be producing about 25 kilos. So, yung 25 kilos is good for about 1 hectare. And we have another variety, yung galing sa Canada, na expected namin na will produce about another 25 to 30 kilos. So, effectively, yung next cycle namin, we will be able to plant about 2 hectares of these soybean seeds. And yung 2 hectares na yon, ang next cycle niyan, siguro mga 200 hectares. And kapag successful, ang next cycle niyan sa seed production natin would be about 20,000 hectares. So, ganito po ang agrikultura. It's not an easy thing. It's not something that is easily done. Kailangan ng tiyaga. Kailangan ng masusing pag-aaral kung paano mo gagawin. Lutasin yung mga problema, diseases, yung climate. But I'm happy that at least right now, meron na tayong naipon ng mga binhi na pwede na nating itanim for our fourth cycle ng soybean seeds propagation.